can see, today I'm wearing my iya. Iya is a traditional Romanian blouse celebrated all over the world. To my Moldovan and Romanian followers, purtați iya cu mândrie. I'd like to thank you all for all the positive feedback I got from my picture that I posted the other day with my braided bread. And today it's finally the day I'll show you the recipe and how it's made. Let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is to activate the yeast. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. I'm using brown sugar because I think it's a little bit more healthier. And 3 scoops of flour. Just mix it well until all the lumps are gone. This is the consistency you have to get for your yeast. Cover with the plastic wrap and make sure you let it rise until it doubles its size. Next step, I'm going to sift my flour. I've added a tablespoon and a half of salt. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar as well. Give this a mix. The reason I'm mixing the flour with the salt and sugar is because when I'm going to add my yeast mixture, I don't want it to have contact directly with the salt because it will deactivate the yeast. We're going to add 3 eggs. And again, mix just lightly until they are kind of incorporated with the flour a little bit. Our yeast has raised and I'm going to add it to my flour. Add a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons. Half of my 2 cups of milk. Make sure your milk is warm. Start kneading. Add the rest of your milk little by little. You will have to add a little bit of oil as you go. Once your dough becomes hard enough, remove it from your bowl and continue kneading on your cutting board. Add a little oil on top. The secret of a good bread is to knead it very, very well. Fold the edges and knead. When you see that your dough is not sticking to your working area anymore, that means your dough is very well kneaded and it's time to put it in a bowl and let it rise for 1 hour. When you put your dough to rise, make sure you sprinkle a little bit of oil on the bottom of your bowl. Let's see if the dough has risen. I think it did. Look at that. Ta-da! We are going to start making some braids. Roll out your dough and then cut it into chunks. So you need 3 chunks to start your braid. I have here a 9-inch circular pan. It's the one that's you can open it easily. I choose this one because it's easy to get the bread out and it's not sticking. And I put here parchment paper. I just finished braiding. I am going to cover it with a clean cloth and let it rise for 1 hour. This is very important to let your bread rise. I am going to preheat my oven to 400 degrees. Our bread has rised. Look at this, how beautiful it is. I am going to beat an egg with a little bit of milk and I'm gonna brush it over. I have here a little bit of water which I'm going to put on the bottom shelf of the oven. This helps the bread to get crispier. Our bread is finally ready. Look how beautiful it looks and it smells incredible. Before you serve, just let it cool down for 10 minutes or so.
I'm going to break a little piece for you guys so you can see how it looks inside.
It's so good. The texture is soft and it's just amazing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did so, make sure you subscribe and activate the bell to get notification on my next videos. Bye!